Welcome to the channel, guys, and happy Thanksgiving. It's a rainy morning. We're out on the walk. This isn't going to be your usual walk. I'm just going to do about 15 minutes and walk. No set laps. I did walk the last few days, did not record it. I've been busy working on electrical. I've got the dog apartment being wired, and excuse the four-wheeler noise, I can't seem to escape that around here. Got kids out when they should be home tasting mashed potatoes. So anyway, we're just going to have a little walk. Sometimes Thanksgiving, a lot of people don't really know the history and the meaning of it. But way back in the olden days, you know, when the country was brand new, I guess they all got together and cooked up one big old meal, and turkey was the choice. And they all sat down and had a day of thanks. And so the tradition has carried on. And it's just a day you reflect on things you're thankful for. Well, there's a lot of people in this world that aren't thankful for much. You know, they want more. Materialistic. And so you should think about the true things that you should be thankful for. Like for me, being able to walk. Because there's people that don't know how to walk, or that cannot walk. Let me rephrase that. Who have had accidents or afflictions that can no longer walk. So I'm thankful to be able to walk. I'm also thankful that I get to live in this beautiful national forest area on a house that is paid for. I'm thankful for that every day. We'll spin you around so you ain't gotta look at my ugly mug. Here comes this four-wheeler. I have had a time. I am not thankful for the neighbors. I'll say that. They drive me nuts. But enough of that. We're just gonna walk towards the back here, guys. Just a walk. And it's raining. The lens will get wet. I'm going to try to keep it. There you go. I'd be thankful if they ran out of gas over there. I'd be thankful for that. You know what gets me is they got a 200 acres right across the street they live on. No, they got to bring those things over here and ride them. I don't get it. So yep, today's not all about the food. Our world is getting more and more scary. It's turning into, I've never seen the likes of what we see today. The shootings, the, you know, crazy stuff. And I don't see that getting better. Just like inflation. Look at those low flying clouds over there, guys. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't see that getting any better. Just yesterday I went and bought a few things for the build. One piece, 10-foot piece of 2-inch PVC was $35. I'm not thankful for inflation. And I had to have it, so I bought it. And the reason I say it's not going to end is because they know we'll pay it. They know we're going to pay it, and prices will never go back down. And at least not with the current situation in our government. So anyway, let's get on a different subject. Here comes the rain, picking up more. It's all right, we're gonna keep walking. Get rid of these loud kids over here. I don't mind the rain. Now I am just staying home today. I don't have anywhere to be, so I'm gonna fry me up something. Probably some of that steak and make some taco bowls. I don't know. I don't care for turkey. I do like all the other fixings. Stuffing, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes. But this isn't the right time for me to be eating that stuff. So just as well. Y'all getting tired of going around in a circle? I'm waiting for those kids to leave so we can hit the other trail. You know, there's a lot of people that don't have anywhere to go on the holidays. That kind of thing has never bothered me because I've always worked holidays. You know, when you work in the newspaper business on a printing press, that's good overtime money, and pretty much got to work because the papers never used to stop. Now we don't have any. Not many left anyway. So that don't bother me. I'm not one of them guys that gets depressed or sits there and pouts. You know, I don't get lonely. I love being alone. It's great. There's no better way of life for me. Wipe. Now let's go hit that other trail. I didn't have any invites anyway, so it doesn't matter. And not on this diet. I'm not on a diet. With the way I'm eating now, I probably would not have went. And if I had, I probably would just ate a little bit. Ooh, this feels good. It's in the 50s. Millie showed back up this morning. I don't know if I've made a video. She's been gone for 3 days. She's in her doghouse now. Ribs showing like crazy. I guess that's going to be her routine. Well, it's starting to come down pretty good. That's what it's looking like. Stop for a minute. And I'm grateful for this view. Thankful for that. Thankful for this trail. For that log that I can neither cut because it's too hard or burn. I could burn it. It would take weeks. I'll get it out of there one day. I'm thankful for that stump, that I can see it and don't trip over it. But I am not, repeat, not thankful for these little gnomes. I might as well just pull that rock out of there. Obviously, they have discovered a different route. Gnomes. Man. I was planning to go in there and finish the electrical, but I've been in the house cleaning. I've got a whole bunch of laundry and laundry baskets, folding it. You know, doing that kind of silly thing. What are you doing, Libby? Did you come out and get your hot dog and your milk bone? You did. She don't like these rainy days. She's cooped. Better shut my shed. Want it blowing open. I'll tell you what, this stuff here that I put on this screen patio just kind of repels all the rain away. None of them windowsills in there got any rain on it. It's just hitting it, dripping straight down. That's cool. The only problem I had, right at the top of that T111, there was water coming in. I didn't even cover that with the flashing. I don't know what I was thinking. So I took a piece of that deck board and set it up there, which is going to have a railing all the way across it anyway. That's going to be like a little bar top. I can put some stools. I just haven't got to it yet. Oh, sage is still doing good. Ooh, that smells good. The oregano is taking off. Even the what is that stuff? Parsley. Yeah, it's the only things left in the garden. Look at this sage. Now this is what you use in stuffing, man. I like to just rub it and go. That smells good. Alright, let's hit the trail again. wipe y'all off. Not worried about the GoPro, it's waterproof, but the lens is not. So yeah, I really get upset when I see people that all they care about on Thanksgiving is Black Friday. I gotta go shopping, buy more stuff. And that's fine. But it's not about that. Neither is Christmas. Christmas is another holiday that's kind of lost all its meaning. Go back and check this bird feeder. Oh, they still got some. Gotta feed the birds in this time of year. And my family all live quite a ways away. And with animals, it's hard. You know, I was invited to my parents for Thanksgiving, but yeah, it's 3.5 hours there, 3.5 back. I can't drive in the dark, so that's like get there, bam, eat, turn around and come back and be home in time to feed the animals. I have went there. It makes for a very long day, but this time of year it's hard because it's, you know, you can leave early, but for like something like Thanksgiving, you know, nobody wants to eat at 9 in the morning. And they're coming back with the four-wheeler, of course. Oh, let's just cut across here. All right, where we at, guys? 11 minutes. Okay. I just thought I'd get on here and do a talking video. I haven't put one up in a couple days. Let's go back to this thing. The deck part's solid, but these all got to be torn out. You like my toilet seat trash can? Used to be a bucket down there. You just throw your cans or whatever. It's seen better days. But this is the view from the deck. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So whatever you guys are doing today, you might be with a bunch of people, your family, you may be alone. Just try to think of a couple things you're thankful for. The last 10 years of my life have been the best. But that was only because I buckled down and made it happen. Because before that, I was irresponsible. I didn't think of the future. And, you know, 45 years old, I start thinking about the future. And here 10 years later, 11 years later, you know, I got lucky. I've got a place I don't know a dime on, but that doesn't happen for everybody. But I just woke up and realized, you know, if I don't buckle down now, I'm screwed. And fortunately, I've got a place to live in. I've got a place that's low cost of living. You know, it's not bad, so I'm thankful for all of that. All right, guys, we should be back to walking normal. I'm going to be very busy for the next several months. I got to get these videos in. Let's see, I weighed myself this morning down to 273 pounds. So we're still losing. And like I said, I have walked the last 2 days. I just did not record it because I don't have time to edit if I want to get in there and get working. So let's go see if we can catch a glimpse of Millie before I close. She was hungry. I didn't even know I don't know when she came back, but she was in her doghouse this morning. That dog, you just can't keep her here. Where you at, Miller? Yeah, there you are in your doghouse. Don't think you can see her. She's in there. There she is. I see you. Why do you run off like that? Why do you do that? Alright guys, if you have not subscribed, if you want to, it's down there, do it. Give me a like, give me an unlike, I don't care. Happy trails.